today we'll be taking off this Kawasaki Ninja 400 muffler. So this is a 2018 model Ninja 400. So yeah, I think it's all the same up to about 2023. They're all the same models. No major differences. So yeah, let's get this thing off. All right, so you're gonna need a couple of things. Spanner, extension. Extension really helps with that 10mm there, but you don't really need it. It's just to make things a tad bit easier. You need 10mm and a 12mm, and lastly the 4mm Allen key for that bolt there. Alright, so we'll be taking off these bolts. So 10mm there, 4mm Allen key, another 10mm, and behind here there's a 12mm. You'll see that once the shield comes off, then that reveals the 12mm. Yeah. So let's get this heavy thing off, and we'll see what she sounds like without the muffler. Alright, this should only take about 2 minutes. It's actually quite easy. But yeah, I'm cheating. I've done it a couple of times. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, 10mm here. Nice and loose, and you just slide that up. So let's just keep the shield on over there. Let's get this 4mm off. It's a little middle piece there. Oh, and that mechanism slides that way, so it slides down. Cool. Keep this. Never get rid of it. Okay, next is the 12mm and then the 10. I'll start off here first and then move to that one afterwards. Alright, let's put on the 12mm socket. Get it nice and loose. I'll get the 10mm. There we go. And you just pull this that way. So pull it back and just rotate it a couple of times. So just doing this motion here, see? Make sure that's loose. Keep an eye up here too. So wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. So wiggle that up. There we go. And she's off. Yeah, I wonder how heavy this is. Must be quite heavy. Okay. And she's off. That was, what, 2 minutes? Let's have a look here. See what she sounds like. Let me turn it on. I'm going to be a bit busy. Just going to get a whole lot of noise, so I'll be quick. Noisy. A bit too noisy. Alright, next up, I'll get on to installing a nice brand new aftermarket muffler. Let's do it.